What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about 5 different things to consider when you are thinking about offering transportation for your adult daycare. But first, like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Did you do it? How about now? Let's go! All right, so number 1, when it comes to transportation, it's very important that you have the appropriate coverage, and I wouldn't say affordable, because at the end of the day, insurance when it comes to transportation is not affordable. But make sure that you have non-hired, non-owned auto coverage, and it can be part of maybe your general liability policy when it comes to your adult daycare program. So if you're offering transportation, non-hired, non-owned auto, what that means is they're not hiring you for transportation. Like, that isn't your primary function. It's an ancillary service. Therefore, it's not like you're out there as a transportation company. Number 2, should you purchase a large van or a small van? Well, that's gonna depend a lot on your density. So if you have a high density area, a large van might make sense. If you have a lower density area, a smaller van might make sense. If your area is just unique and it has low density and high density spots, then maybe have a combination of both. So you have that option depending on how busy the route is. Number 3, you could use community transportation. So think about, maybe the city or the county or some other thing within the federal government, or not the federal government, the state government or the local county government. There might be a nonprofit organization that provides transportation to seniors. Is there one in your area? How difficult is it to get set up with them? And can your members utilize that service? Is it a viable or potential option for the families that are taking care of those that you serve? Number 4 is, do you partner with a medical transportation company? So is there a medical transport company in your area? Does it make sense to partner with them and offer that as a service to your members or to your guests? Now, number 5 is you could use potentially Uber or Lyft. They typically have a healthcare component. I don't recommend this because a lot of times you'll have like Joe Blow pulls up in his little Honda Accord and he's just like, honk, honk, like, get on in, grandma, let's go. But the reality of it is like, you might want a little bit more attention to detail. You might want to make sure that there's a little bit more compassion, a little bit more kind of care and concern for that person that might be attending your center if they need help with their walker or their wheelchair or something like that. So that might not be the best solution, but it is an option. If you decide, hey, I'm not going to offer it, like myself, it's not gonna be something we do in-house, but here are some options to the families. That could be another way that you do it. So these are kind of 5 different general things to cover when it comes to transportation. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into it, but I hope this was helpful. We'll see you guys on the next one. Now let's get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.